Don't want your confession to end in a disaster? Don't want your crush to say no? Don't be lonely this year. FlexClip AI templates are here to save your love. Try the AI templates to turn your simple photos into a romantic masterpiece that no one can resist, all in one click. Let's do it! First, head over to FlexClip.com and jump into the AI template library. I've put the link in the description for you. Pick one you like and just upload your photos. Hit Generate and boom! A professional confession video is ready to win their heart. It's that easy. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. See you next time!